What's good, YouTube? So I'm outside right now. I'm finna get ready to plastic dip these wheels, cause as y'all know, the wheels on the back of my car right now are slicks. So I'm finna move the wheels from the front, put on the back, and I'm finna put these on the front right now until I save us some more money to buy some new tires, cause the tires I want are a lot right now, and I'm not ready to spend that on just some tires, you feel me? So I'm about to show y'all the wheels I'm about to put back on. Y'all already know what they are, but I'm finna plastic dip them black real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. So these the wheels, y'all already remember them. These finna go on the front, cause these are 245s, but I'm finna clean them off real quick, cause y'all do see they dirty, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna plastic dip them, and we're gonna go put them on. And I actually got some brakes today too, so when we changing them, we're gonna go ahead and change the brakes too. You know what I'm saying? Get everything done, get out the way. And yeah, man, let me get back with y'all in a minute. Yeah, we getting started. We went from this to this. So we getting started, man. So how gonna turn out? We're looking like something, gang. Yo, I believe this setup gonna be fire, man. For real, for real. I don't think I seen nobody with this setup. You feel me? But yeah, I don't think I seen nobody with this setup, man. I think I'm finna kill them folk one time, man. Hellcat wheels on the back, SRT wheels on the front. Yeah. Yeah. SRT wheels in the front, SRT wheels in the back. Yeah. Lead to my. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do the brakes too. We're gonna see how goddamn it come out, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all see how they were silver before. They're finna be black now. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I should have kept them like this, but I already sprayed the gloss on this side. So now I gotta spray the other side with gloss. But this right here, that look hard. I ain't gonna lie, but
that be goddamn, that be tough. Shit. That ain't shit tough. My brother, that nigga gone.